Say 302 nightmares.
Did you do my nightmare?
What's good, YouTube? We back with another video, man. It's your boy 302. And as you seen from that thumbnail, man, yeah, it's early. I know I probably got the early morning voice, but yeah, today we about to finally install that Shelby wing that I brought, man. I decided to finally do it. Actually, crazy part about it is I actually painted it myself, but I didn't record me painting it. I didn't think it was worth recording, so as you know, to get the old wing off, you gotta use some adhesive remover or something like that. So I'm up here at AutoZone right now. We finna run in there and check that out. Let's go. Glue gone, you know, this is good for like adhesive and stuff, getting adhesive off like the bumper, off the trunk and stuff like that. So we got that. All right, man, let's back this thing up so we could get started, man. Let's back this thing up, turn around. Okay, so YouTube, as you can see, this is my current wing right here. As you can see, this is like a regular style that come on the GTs and stuff like that. But I don't know, I'm tired of it, so I wanted to change it out. So this is what we're gonna change it to right here. It's not exact, like I said, as you seen, I made a video on this wing, but it's not a exactly Shelby wing, but it's a Shelby style wing. And I also painted this by myself, believe it or not. Like I didn't do such a bad job. I think I did pretty good. But yeah, we about to start applying this glue gun so we can get this original wing off. Let's start doing that right now. We can get to the adhesive. We gotta remove these, I think it's 4 bolts that's holding the wing down. I think you could take these off. Damn, that shit hurt my nail. Then you can pull these little things off right here. And I think it's a bolt like hidden up under here, something like that. Let me see. Yep. Damn. Yeah, up under these, some bolts hidden up under there. There's one on this side too. Try not to bend it too much, but I don't think it matters. Yeah, that was easy. All right, so let's undo these bolts. Hopefully I don't drop them inside the trunk, because if you drop them inside the trunk, that's the end of them. Oh shoot, I don't got a way to grab it. Woo! Got it. All right, cool. Put that in there. Ooh, I'm scared. I'm scared I might drop one. You drop it inside the trunk, that's the end of it. Oh, it almost fell. Oh. Got it. Woo wee. Alright, let me be a little bit more cautious. I'm tripping. I'm just straight up just going without even. Got that one. Last one, baby. Make me proud. Ooh, how I'ma grab it? I got it. Ooh, all right, cool. Done with that part. Okay, now, it should be a little loose. Nah, it's a lot of adhesive on there, so now it's time to apply the glue gun stuff. I think what I'm gonna do is try to lift a little bit and like just squeeze it in seams. Hey, where is it? Oh, right here. All right, pull this off. I always got like a little dot top right here, so you can turn it squeezable. Damn. All right, let me lift and squeeze a little in there like that. See what I'm saying? Like, you want to kind of lift and drop them to the seams so it could get down in there. Look, it's already starting to work a little bit now. Alright, so let me get a little flathead and stick in there and kind of like, you know what, let me not use that before I scratch up the car. That'd be stupid. This shit hard as hell to do, but as you can see, I almost got it all off. We got a lot of cleaning up to do up under there, but it's almost off. Y'all stick with me, I'm gonna keep on going. Almost off. Alright, finally got that step over with. As you can see, this is the original wing right here. And this is the one that we're gonna be putting on right here. But of course, first, before we could do that, we gotta get all of this off the trunk. It's look crazy. We gotta get all this off the trunk first. There's glue everywhere, man. It's crazy. It look terrible. But take some more elbow grease, so let's get that started. 302 gang, I learned something today. I hate adhesive. This double-sided tape is kicking my ass. Like, when I say kicking my ass, I'm talking about like, yo, this is killing me. Like, I just want my wing on, man. I just want to get this process over with. I got a scraper. I was using a scraper trying to get this off, but I guess I'm not having patience. I gotta let the adhesive remover, I guess, soak in it for a little while. But this is driving me crazy. Like I'm, it's annoying, but we're gonna stick with it because we gotta get that Shelby wing on there. So continue watching, please. Bro, I swear, if you do not have the time and patience, do not do this. This literally took like 2-3 hours to do. Like, well, it probably could have been shorter, but I was smoking hookah, of course, you know me. But woo! See, the trick is you gotta let the adhesive remover just sit on there for a minute and let it soak, and then I guess it'll dig into the crevices and do what it's supposed to do. Cause I was rushing. But ooh, like you said, as you can see, for the most part, still got a little bit of residue to get off. But for the most part, everything is off. Like, ooh, that was driving me crazy. But for the most part, it's all off. So now let's do the fitment of the Shelby wing that's going on. Like I said, it's not an actual Shelby wing, it's a Shelby style wing. Like, it's just a ducktail spoiler basically. As you can see, looks a lot better than the stock one though. I only paid $50 for it, so just wanted a little more ducktail action in the back. It ain't nothing too crazy, but how you feel? I like it. Like, it's not too big, it's not too small. It's kind of like a little bit bigger than OEM, but I like it though. What y'all think? I have to put the adhesive on it and get it ready, but this is like a little, you know, a little fitment, little mock fitment just to see. I like it. All right, 302 gang, this is finished product, man. Like I said, it don't look much different from the stock one. Well, it do to me, but if you think it don't look that much different from the stock one, then I can understand how you feel. But yeah, this is finished product, man. That killed me. It took way longer than I thought it was gonna take, but you know, hey, I need more patience when I do things like this. I be getting angry. But yeah, it's done. I'm about to take the car to the car wash and then get in the light and give y'all a finished visual of the whole car. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to like this video. Alright, YouTube, here's finished product. Yeah, I know the car looks beautiful, but that ain't what we looking at right now. We going back to the look at that. See how you can see it from the front right here? This is how it look from the front. Like I said, it's not a Shelby wing, it's a Shelby style. That's how it look from the front. And that's how we looking from the back. Let me know what y'all think, man. Leave it down in the comments what y'all think. I like it, man. I think it look nice. What y'all think? I think it gives the back way more aggressive look. I should have pulled somewhere so I could see it, but I think it gives the back a way more aggressive look than what it had. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments. And also, I painted this by myself, as y'all can look at that beautiful quality. I painted that. It's all me. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. It's just a little quick video of me putting the spoiler on. It ain't nothing crazy. See how it look a little crazy outside. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, so I ain't really going nowhere like that. But just a little before Father's Day job I decided to do to the car. Just, you know, I had the wing for a long time. Y'all see when I post a video, but I'm finally putting it on now. So let me know what y'all think.
Hey, follow 302 Nightmare, fucking like, subscribe, and that's it. Comment too, bitch.